How to roll back your AMD graphics driver to a previous version on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to downgrade your AMD graphics driver when the latest version is causing issues. First, right-click on the Start button at the bottom left of your screen. From there, click on Device Manager. At this point, scroll down and click on Display Adapters to expand the section. From there, right-click on your AMD graphics driver. After that, click on Properties to open the Driver Properties window. In the next step, click on the Driver tab at the top. From there, click on Rollback Driver. At this stage, select the reason for rolling back when prompted and click on Yes to confirm. Once done, wait for Windows to restore the previous version of your AMD graphics driver. Following this, restart your PC to apply the rollback. From here, once your PC's back on, right-click on the Start button and go back to Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters and right-click on your AMD driver. Click on Properties and go to the Driver tab to confirm the driver version has been rolled back successfully. Keep in mind, the rollback driver option will only be available if Windows has a previously installed driver version saved. If the button is grayed out, it means there is no previous version to roll back to, and you'll need to manually download an older driver from the AMD website instead. And that's it. If this guide helped you roll back your AMD graphics driver, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.